Day 5, Falmouth, Jamaica. It's hard to remember. It feels warm already. There's not many beaches here. Guess that's why you had to go to Montego Bay for a beach break. It is hot in Jamaica this morning. It's 10 a.m. and there's no beaches. No wonder we had to take a 30-minute ride to Montego Bay, like for a beach. It's gonna be like $300 a person. So we canceled it. Concierge was able to cancel it last night for us. So we're gonna chill here. It's pretty though, but no beach. It was a very hot day in Jamaica, and when you are down in the pool, there is no air or breeze coming through, and there's no shade, there's no umbrellas. So I decided to take a little walk, get some breeze up on the top deck. This was the only time we went into the adult section on the Disney Treasure. On the Disney Wish, we had a nice couple hours in the infinity pool off the back. It is very strange how it's off on its own, and even this day, the pool was pretty crowded, but the adult area was not. The Disney Wish and the Disney Treasure have the same exact layout in the adult-only area. It's not my favorite. I think the older ships do a better job in the adult area. This Chip and Dale pool is actually very nice. They have a shaded area, but it opens later in the afternoon. It was nice during a port day to come into the atrium and just enjoy the beautiful lobby. Eventually, Elemental did end, and I got my daughter away from the pool deck, and we decided to go up to the concierge lounge where they have some shade, and the little waiting pool was also in the shade as well, and it was a much nicer experience. And then we got some lunch from the pool deck and relaxed in the room, and it actually rained before our nighttime activities. It's so nice to come back to a clean room. Just got a delivery. That's so cute. Look, it's nice and folded. I
thought you were sleeping.
I was just resting. They folded our laundry for $25 and washed it, but he rung the doorbell, just opened up the door. The container store thing is still on here. That's so funny. Star. Careful, it's wet. Let me see your outfit, Landon. Turn around. Landon, turn around. Let me see. Pretty baby. What is that one?
Oh, there's another cruise ship.
So the Oasis leaving. Pirate's life for me.
Pirates. Is that a pirate ship?
When you wish upon a star.
Dad love a horse. Who has the best horse?
Disney.
Yeah, it doesn't seem like a fair fight.
And the best fireworks. Best
Worst-
food.
All
Best
fireworks
kids
are
club.
worse for me. All fireworks are worse for me because I hate fireworks. Too loud. Are people still on that island?
I think the cruise, we're supposed to be leaving right now. I think that's why they're sounding the horns. Dad looked that up. So that is a resort, and then each room has its own pool.
What the heck?
It's a fancy resort. Is it called Oyster or something?
Excellence in
Oyster
Oyster Bay.
Bay.
Imagine a private pool where nobody or you can sit anywhere you want, whatever you want.
The concierge.
Whatever you want. Hands, whatever you want. It would be paradise. Why didn't we
Paradise.
go? Why didn't you tell me that they would go?
Well, I don't know if they do day passes.
Ah.
That would have been something you want to go to for the day. Me too. I didn't realize it rained while we were in here.
I realized it because you were busy. You were live.
Busy getting ready and getting you ready and picking up the room. Let me pick up the room some more.
Again.
When we come back, your bed will be ready. Leave that there, please, honey.
Oh, I want something.
There's a lock to unlock the bunk bed, so you can't. Careful. How was your day, Philip?
It was nice and relaxing.
It was. We didn't do much.
Got some sun at the pool.
It was so hot. I was like overheated and gross, and I was like, I can't sit here any longer. So we went. The concierge pool deck was like empty. What would you call it? It was like a wading pool, they call it.
Wading pool with like a bench with a little waterfall coming over to cool your back.
Really nice. It was still hot, but it was like, I was getting like sick on the pool deck, especially with elemental. I don't know why something about elemental was annoying me. And then I tried the mouse. What's it called? The aqua mouse. It broke down. There were like 10-15 minutes. So I waited another 15 minutes after waiting probably 15 minutes. And there were like another 5 to 10, so I got out. And then the other day I tried to do it, and there were like high winds. 2 people have to do it, and we had landed on the pool deck. Who
You're destined never to go on.
doesn't want to do it? I think I did it on one ship. I don't know which one it was. Maybe the Dream.
Aqueduct.
We have Coco show tonight. And Indiana Jones and Sarabi. We might hit up.
Yeah.
Adult only. There's a magician tonight. We'll see. But we lose an hour, so I don't know how late we're going to stay up tonight. But yeah, it was a really good day. And we're off to Coco de Plaza. And we still have 2 more days left. Isn't that crazy?
Yeah, so much fun.
All right, off to Coco. Well, off to get beverages at the concierge lounge and then Coco. Look at that.
What's it say?
That's Hector. We're celebrating.
Mom, tell me more about that.
Okay, so. Dreamin'.
The rest of the family is down at the cemetery, so something inside your heart. Remember me. No, I have to travel far, remember me. Each time you hear that guitar.
It is a different Miguel.
Hey, what did I tell you about that song, Chamaco?
I know what lovers are for. Don't let me out for all of you.
And what was it that you forgave me? And I remember something that I really thought this night would never come.
Finally has. And we are way back to one another, and it's all thanks to our great-great-grandson Miguel.
I mean, it's not all.
Mom, I'm starting to see that old hag that's
And it goes a little something like this.
Cheers to you, Lennon.
Look, Lennon, they're coming over here.
Though I have to say goodbye, remember me. Don't let it make you cry. Even if I'm far away, I hold you in my heart. I sing a
Mom, I
secret
got a
song
question.
to you.
Why did Shippy, that guy, Hector, Hector stopping from returning to his family.
He didn't.
Why? Why?
He didn't stop when we helped him.
How?
Let's listen, I'll tell you later.
Remember me, though I have to travel far.
Oh, look, Landon.
It's time to be just like the mark. And I'm with you, the only way around you. Until you're in my arms again. Thank you all for coming tonight! That I think about you. And I hope that in my voice a song. Let's fight and we all sing along. To a melody played on the streets of our souls. And I think
Out of the way, Landon. Landon. Curtis, look at the.
look everyone, it's dancing, my spirit guide. Alright everybody, this song is for all of us.
It should give that to kids to do. They should give that to kids. Love for each other. Forever.
I put this one here. I need a magic word. What's a magic word? Take this one, put it here, close it tight. Close it tight, keep it tight, okay? Where is this one? Put this one here. Close it tight. How many you got here? One. Yeah? Okay. You say two? Okay, I take this one. Bibbidi bobbidi boo. I put it here. Open this one. There is two. And this one has none.
Wow, good one.
This is the Disney treasure where dreams made real. Now, we are the Disney Victorphonics.
Oh, this is the
Songs
Victorphonics.
with a little charm while you sip on a little potion. Now let me introduce you to my friends back here on this side. On guitar, we've got Waka and Daniel. And we
So
play.
pretty.
On drums, we got Isya.
Change colors throughout the night.
On top.
Nighttime. I have lots to say about Coco, but I will just say it is not Frozen dinner show. Phil and I, after dinner, Lana went to the kids club, and we had a lovely evening with a lovely Wisconsin couple whose kids were in the kids club in the concierge lounge. Had some Cosmos, but I have to say, this is not very good. What is that? I don't even know what it is. She needs to work on our tally animals. So I'm gonna go get Landon. Phil is finishing up his drink, and we're gonna say goodnight. Tomorrow is the most exciting day. Like, we have Palo Brunch, Coco matinee, not Coco, Moana matinee, Bibbidi Bobbidi Boutique, and dinner, and I love Disney cruising. Bye.
Yeah, he came to the kids club.
He did? Stitched in? And you made this goo?
You know what? You know what? You know he spit it into each of our jars.
No, he didn't.
He did
Stitch
too.
is gross.
Alright.
So you have fun at Kids Club? Yeah?
Thanks for watching,
Cool.
like, and subscribe.